In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will make a web application with a dialog. The values entered according to the option selected in the dialog object are displayed on the screen. In the video I will show step by step how to do the application. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I create a button object. I save the code file and run it. You can go to this address using any browser. I created a web application with a button. I want a dialog object to be shown when the button is clicked. To do this, I define a function with the onClick property. I define the function as asynchronous. By using asynchronous functions, we can perform operations without pausing the application. I am creating a dialog object. Now I will define a dialog object using with. I want the objects to be displayed on a card. I am defining a label object. I want to show two buttons side by side. To do this, I define row. I create two buttons named Yes and No. I determine the values to be submitted when the buttons are clicked. I will show a notify object according to the submitted value in the show function. I am saving the code file. I guess I made a mistake. I forgot the parenthesis. I am saving the code file. Depending on the selected button, information is displayed in the notify object. The application is working as I want for now. Now I will add the input objects. I create two input objects for name and country. I am creating a label object. I will show the values entered in the label object. I am saving the code file. I added the objects to the web page. Now I edit the show function. If the result is yes, I update the text object using the setText function. I can access the input objects by using the value function. I also set the input objects I created for name and country as empty. If the result is no, I set the label object as empty using the setText function. I'm testing the app. If you want, you can edit the if queries as you wish. In this video, we learned how to use the dialog object. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.